Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account, so how to add it and how to remove it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to tap on accounts. Now let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can remove it just by tapping on this account and tapping on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.